If you want to put on the chart two different values, for example, values that have different units, or one of the value is much bigger than the other, then you should use secondary axis on the chart. So how we can do it? From Excel 2013, it's simple task because Microsoft insert combo chart. So just in our case we have simple dataset, so just select one cell here and insert tab, and we can find here combo charts, and we can find combo chart with secondary axis on it, and we can choose it. Now, not everything is just like I wanted, but we can simply make some changes by selecting the chart and going to chart design and find change chart type. And here we go to combo charts, where we can change chart types for each series. And just like I wanted, rainfall is on the secondary axis, but I don't like rainfall as a line chart. I want it as a column chart, and temperature I want as a line chart with markers. So this one, and this is the chart I wanted. So I can press OK now, and this is all. But how can I do it before Excel 2013? So let's delete this chart, and this time we just we'll insert just simple column chart. And because our values are different, the rainfall series is much bigger, taller than temperature series, and I want, because of that, I want the temperature rainfall series on the secondary axis. So just one click to select whole series, Control 1, and find series option and go to plot series on secondary axis. And just like that, we have different axes for rainfall and different axes for temperature. And one thing we have to change is change type of temperature series, because now one series is behind the other and we don't know really how tall some columns are. So just once again, we can just one click our series, and before Excel 2013 we can go to Insert tab, and here we can just choose the chart type from Insert tab, so line with markers. And just like that, I have chart with secondary axis and different chart types. Just change name, so temperature and rain, and this is all I wanted with my chart.